What happened, my baby? I am very sad, Mom. Why are you upset? I failed the exam. Oops, this is the things. Show your result card. Here you go. Your maths result is bad. Yes. Okay, no problem, you will try better next time. Okay, Mom, I will try. Let's go to outside. Okay, Mom. Mom, where are we going now? We are going to the shopping mall. Ooh, I am very excited. Ooh, Mom, I want to buy a new dress. Okay, my baby. How long to go to the shopping mall? We will arrive in 10 minutes. Ooh, really? Yes, my baby. Do you want to take? I will buy a dress, buy shoes and jewelry. Okay, baby, wait a sometimes. But, why? Because I will get some of my essentials, then yours. Okay, Mom, I am waiting. You finished your shopping. I visit the shopping mall. Okay, baby, carefully. Thank you, Mom.